Hey, this is how to make a tuna sandwich. It's like a tuna snack. Here's the ingredients: pickles, see all that tuna, mayo, and cheese. And we got this cat trying to fucking move in there and try to get some. Get it! Shoot, 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 shoot! Come on, man. Got it. Go, go, go. Yeah, we got that. And let's get a knife here. Yeah. The cat's trying to get some fucking freebies going. Can't find my shit. Doesn't matter. Use any knife. I'm just gonna mince the pickles down. Cut the cheese into some blocks. First, before I do all that, I'm gonna wash my hands. Keep my eye on that fucking cat. Washing my hands. Washing my hands. Keeping an eye on that cat. It's a greasy cat. Back here we go. So we got all the inside here. And the pickle you just mince down. It tastes really good. It doesn't really matter how you mince it. I wish I could find my chef's knife, you know. Apparently, you know, it's MIA. I left it at work, so what could I say, you know? Use this, whatever. Good things about making, it's about being creative. Use that Actually, this dish was made by a main great philosopher, Patrick Fontaine. Actually, he made it for me. I said, "God damn, this is actually fucking good." And if he's watching this video, he'll probably say, "Yeah, man, I fucking taught that guy that. This motherfucker ain't no cook." You want to cut the cheese into blocks. Actually tastes pretty good. Little words. When I'm done all this, I don't want too much because I'm only using one kind of tuna, right? So. Down the cheese. It's actually really simple. It tastes really, really good though. I could show you a real kick-ass dish, but this is just my simple snack. Yeah, I like toast. I like my toast. Rye bread, which tastes pretty good. Now you got your tuna and ingredients here. Tuna. Of course, drain your tuna. If you don't know how to drain your tuna, just strain it. You know what I mean? Just a strainer and strain down. And then you mix it together like Sadaguchi. Mix it together. Throw some salt and pepper, and that's how you make a nice tuna dish. It's really, really good. And this cat wants some, so maybe I'm gonna throw him a couple slices and I'll give him some tuna. That's how you make a great tuna sandwich.